In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted tasks in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you just need to head over first to planner.cloud.microsoft. Now, as you can see right here, you can just proceed to sign in, but however, do take note that you need to have a paid subscription in order to actually access this. Or you need to be under an organization where you're a team member that has a paid subscription. So for this case, let's proceed to sign in. So in there, you can just enter it here your email that has a particular subscription. So enter that right there. Now here is my actual board. So for example, let's try to delete in here this task, which is this additional information. Let's click onto these three dots. After that, let's click onto this delete right here. Now, as you can see, once I have deleted that, it will show me this undo button. So I can proceed to click on that. But what will happen if I actually deleted it and the undo button is already crossed out or is already unapplicable? So in order to actually recover those options, you just need to head over and view the trash of your actual plan. So to do that, you can head over and then go to your Teams menu to restore it. It's typically found on the Microsoft Teams if you have it. You just need to click on the view trash option, or if you're accessing your planner using the cloud or other specific environments, it might appear on other folder and task option, and from in there you just need to move this back onto the new list. So you can also group this by a bucket as well as other options that we have available onto this case. You also have the option to recreate the task manually if the task is permanently deleted, or contact your IT administrator if the task is critical. You can actually help them recover it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.